Video games rot your brain. You lose concentration. Video games make you dull. Video games are a distraction and are of no use at all. What will you do playing all these games? Do they pay you to play video games now? Well, I am pretty sure that you all grew up listening to these type of words from your parents. Unfortunately, most people have always assumed that video games are the cause of many mental and physical problems, even if there was a lack of scientific evidence to prove it. Some say it is in our human nature to find something to blame when there is an issue, and video games have always been an easy target. But things have changed, and now more professional studies are being conducted to find out the truth. Before you move on, remember that anything in excess can be harmful. No benefit that comes from a video game will justify playing them for 10 hours a day. So before starting the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.
Now let's talk about the sponsor of this video, Raid Shadow Legends. You have probably heard about this by now, but let me tell you why. In terms of gameplay, it's the deepest and most complex mobile game around. With 500 champions to collect, each with their own skill trees and millions of artifacts to find and equip, no two champions will ever be the same. That makes for literally trillions of ways to build your team, crazy depth, and endless strategies to figure out. What I like about the game is the looks of the champion. I mean, look at those horns, that brutal weapon. I literally feel like a warrior of dark ages while playing this game. And within the last couple of weeks, they've added a load of new updates. There's a lot to mention, so I'll just dive in. First, they've just added champion fragments, which lets you collect pieces of champion that you can use to summon specific champions, with a special event running right now to get the amazing Krilla Witch arm. It ends August 28, so don't wait around. There's also a new bazaar where you can load up on high value items with the gold bars you win in Tag Arena. And they just extended the daily login rewards up to 270 days with free champions available just for logging in. It's been a crazy month for updates, so there's never been a better time to start. So what are you waiting for? Go to the video description, click on the special links, and if you're a new player, you'll get 1 lakh silver fragments plus 50 gems plus 10 mystery shards plus 1 free champion. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. Good luck, and I'll see you there.
They help to develop problem solving skills. Hard level and epic boss can be a bitch. You work extra hard in your head to devise strategies to beat them. Unless you are a genius gamer, you fail the first time and then take another shot, but this time you are thinking of a different novel way to beat that mean bastard. It gives you good problem solving skills. They even help you become social. No, not all gamers are sitting in their mom's basement, overweight and in their smelly brown underwears, chugging on soft drinks at the rate of 10 liters an hour. Studies have showed that video games actually help you become social. 70% of all gamers play with someone else on the internet. They make friends too. But video games are not substitutes for real life socializations. Maintain a healthy balance of real life and online friends. Video games help in stimulating the growth of new neurons. Once considered impossible, neurogenesis, growth of new neurons, actually takes place in the brain of gamers. We all know that gray matter is an indicator of intelligence in the brain. A study showed increased gray matter in the brains of gamers. This means you are literally building brain muscle by gaming. Video games make you persevere. I'm gonna get back at you. You wait, you piece of villain shit. You screamed as you lost to the boss villain for the 9th time, but you keep at it. Video games help you persevere. It is a very challenging setup and you don't really want to give up. And you fight it again and again to beat the system. It really teaches you tenacity. Video games help you recognize patterns. At the end of the day, every game out there is basically a code programmed by people. Large games with many levels have repeating patterns. You learn pattern recognition even without knowing. Now though they are making in-game AI so much harder and unpredictable, that finding patterns is getting harder. Better hand-eye coordination. Non-gamers use a lot of brain juice to coordinate between eye movement and hand movement. A study has shown that gamers don't even think about hand-eye coordination. Most of their brain power is focused on higher tasks like defeating the AI because hand-eye coordination is already automated. Helps you navigate better. Anyone who has played GTA or Counter-Strike can relate to this. Games with vast, open worlds help you navigate better. You explore landscape on the scale of hundreds of kilometers in such games. It helps your navigational abilities over time. Help in teamwork and better cooperation. Ask anyone who has played Counter Strike, PUBG, or Dota with his friends. They are almost communicating telepathically with their teammates. Their coordination and communication go deeper than the usual banter we have with our conventional teammates in real life. Working together to achieve a common goal to the point that you will sacrifice yourself altruistically comes quite naturally to gamers. Better vision. Video games give you better vision. A study has shown that playing a video games changes pathways in the brain, helping the gamer to distinguish more shades of grey, called the contrast sensitivity function. It is the same ability that helps you drive better at night. So yeah, it helps you see better. They get you lots of money and help in international relations. Take the case of the youngest millionaire of esports, Sumail. He hails from Pakistan and one of his teammates is Sahil Arora, an American Indian. What? An Indo-Pak team combo? A successful Indo-Pak team combo? Yes, and they won a whopping $6 million when they won the International Dota 2 Championships this year, with Sumail pocketing a cool $1.2 million. An Indian and a Pakistani teamed up with three others to win a game that is dominated by the Asians. And Sumail is just 16. He is 16 and he made his first $1 million. Esports is the future, they say. With tournaments getting better, with more audience and fatter prize money, people are realizing that there is a scope of getting into gaming professionally. Big bucks, fame, international friends, and a faster, more intelligent brain. So yes, video games are actually good for you on many levels. Of course, we must add, like anything, to maintain such benefits, games should be consumed in moderation. Staying up all night, every single night, to fight off zombies may not be the best thing for your health.